Namaskar. Today I will be talking about Namaskar. Namaskar is salutation. So, before learning any of the classical styles, what we learn at the beginning is the Namaskar, how to salute Almighty, the God that has given us strength to dance. And also the audience, the spectator, because of whom we are dancing, we are practicing our art. I'll show you the Namaskar first and then I'll explain how to do it. Okay, so while doing Namaskar, what we have to do at the beginning is to stand properly on our feet. That means the tripods, the 3 points of the feet are placing properly and the weight is distributed equally on them. We are standing with legs together or 10 toes facing forward. Knees and hips should be in one line with the heels. I won't be forward like this, I won't be behind. The straight line should be followed. Then my shoulders will be forever locked in socket. While standing straight, I am not getting rid of my arch, neither I am arching extra. I am getting this curve natural. So, placing this mudra, which is called Kataka Mukha. 2 fingers, thumb joined together, keeping in front of the chest, following the square that is made with both the hands. The square position is the first position in Bharatanatyam. I will be stamping with my right leg, then left, then Shikhara Mudra, the thumbs up, facing down, looking towards my teachers and my musicians. Sitting down, touching the floor, to my eyes and bowing down. So while doing this, what I am doing is I am invoking my inner consciousness. My teachers and my musicians, they are guiding me. Mother Earth, on which I am stamping constantly and dancing. Then Pancha Mahabhutas and the Nataraja, the God who is blessing me to dance. So this is how we practice Namaskar. Thank you.